This is the weather forecast video for Friday, February 24th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the middle part of the country bringing the snow, rain, and wintry mix across the state during Thursday, and moving off to the east, bringing cold air down for the weekend. Watch warning map from before midnight shows the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings across the state at the time, eastward into northern New England, with other wintry weather issues up to our north and west. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, shows some decent amounts of precipitation to our east, to our north, and to our west. This does include some of the precipitation that fell last night as well. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening, as that storm system that brought the wonderful wintry weather to the state Thursday is now well off to our east. Takes the snow, the flurries, and all that excitement out of the state. It'll be still snowing and flurrying most of the day today, with it ending from west-east during the day. Saturday it'll be just dry. It'll be dry. The winds will become southerly and temperatures will come back to near 40 on Saturday, with mainly 30s across the state. Sunday, well, that wonderful storm system will miss us, but it will be a wind event across the state. Some gusty winds out of the south switching to the west as the storm moves across Minnesota with some snow. As that moves and begins to die out over the Great Lakes, here comes another one developing over the Intermountain West. Winds begin to turn southeasterly again to begin the new work week. And by Tuesday, here's a piece of energy moving through the Central Plains, with the trough digging down into Kansas and the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle. With that looks to be quite significant. Low pressure west of Omaha will be on the warm sector, with temperatures well up in the 40s, so we could see some rain and maybe even a clap or two of thunder if this is possible. By Wednesday, this moves off to the east. Backside precip could be in the form of some snow or a few flurries, little if any accumulation, at least at this time. This pulls further away. High pressure moves off to our east, and another low begins to form to our south and west. So we need to keep an eye on that one. And a week from today, on the 1st of March, the first day of meteorological spring, another piece of energy coming through the Central Plains. And with that, another storm system. And this one will be a little cooler than the previous storm, so this has a better chance of bringing some snow to the state, or at least a wintry mix, maybe similar to yesterday's storm. A few days later, on the 6th, another piece of energy over the Central Plains. This seems to be a recurring theme heading into the month of March, and another storm. And this one is going to be a warm one, low near Kansas City, and this could bring thunderstorms to the state. And maybe even if this pans out, we could see some severe weather. And at the end of the forecast on March 10th, deep trough over California and Nevada, energy there. Otherwise, a ridge over the eastern 2/3, and will be with southerly winds and the 540 line well up into Canada. So this looks to get mild heading into March, but unfortunately it'll also be more active as well. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.